Hi there. I want fresh fruits. What do you have today?
Hello. We have lots of fresh fruits today. Over here, you can see these apples and those oranges. We also have these bananas and those grapes.
Those oranges look delicious. How much are they?
These oranges are $3 per kilo. Those apples over there are $2 per kilo.
Great. What about these bananas? How much are they?
These bananas are $1.50 per bunch.
I'll take one bunch of these bananas and one box of those strawberries.
Excellent. Is there anything else you need?
Yes. Do you have any vegetables?
We have these tomatoes and those cucumbers. We also have these carrots and those potatoes.
I'll take those tomatoes and these carrots. That should be all for today.
Perfect. Let me pack these up for you. That will be $12 in total.